Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. My name is Himanshi Sharma. This video is for Class 4 English poem Wake Up from NCERT book Marigold. In this video we will discuss difficult words and their meaning, question answers, listening activity, rhyming words, drawing work and worksheet. So let's get started. Let's discuss meaning of difficult words and their usage one by one. The meaning of lovely is very beautiful. For example, I saw a lovely view from the window of my house. Now can you make sentence by using this word? Here is a hint for you. It's a butterfly. The meaning of buzzing is humming sound. For example, mosquitoes are buzzing all around us. Now can you make sentence by using this word? Here is a hint for you. It's a bee. The meaning of sleepy head is a sleepy person. For example, wake up, sleepyhead. You have been asleep for 10 hours. Can you make sentence by using this word? So here is a hint for you. You must have watched this picture of a sleeping girl in the poem. The meaning of tiniest is very small. For example, the baby had the tiniest feet. Can you make sentence by using this word? Here is a hint for you. Can you see this spider? How is it looking? Now think and make sentences in your own words and write down the answers in the comment section. Now let's discuss the questions answers from this poem from the chapter Wake Up from NCERT book. Question number 1 is, what do you think birds say to each other in the morning? Birds wish good morning to each other in the morning. Question number 2 is, who are already awake? The answer is, the birds and bees are already awake. Now question number 3 is, which creatures help wake up in the morning before the child does? The answer is, the cow, horses, ducks, sheep and the tiniest chicken wake up in the morning before the child does. Now let's do listening activity by listening to bee sound. Who is he? He is a boy. B-O-Y, boy. Now repeat after me. He is a boy. He is a boy. What is this? This is a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Now repeat after me. This is a ball. What is this? This is a ball. What is it? It is a bee. B-E-E, bee. Now repeat after me. It's a bee. What is it? It's a bee. What are these? These are balloons. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S, balloons. Repeat after me. These are balloons. What are these? These are balloons. What is it? It's a bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Now repeat after me. It's a bird. What is it? It is a bird. Word building time. Now we will make words. What are rhyming words, students? Let's read this poem carefully. We took a look, we saw a nook, on his head he had a hook. On his hook, he had a book, was how to cook. How was this poem, students? Now, can you tell me what are the rhyming words? Can you find the rhyming words from this poem? Took, look, nook, hook, book and cook. Students, can you find from the poem the rhyming word of play, bees, bed, out and sheep? You can write your answers in the comment section. Drawing time. How many of you like to draw? I know all of you like to draw. So, you will draw a morning scene in your copies and then you have to write the sounds you hear when you go for a morning walk. Now it's worksheet time. This is the link of the worksheet that I have uploaded on my Google Drive. I will also provide the link in the description box. You can easily click and download it and practice at your home. If you find any doubt in any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. Wake up with the positive intentions to better yourself and the lives of those around you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.